Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a fuel line on your string trimmer, make sure the engine has cooled and there is no fuel in the tank. Next, remove the wire and boot from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. Loosen the knob to release the air filter cover. Remove the filter and use an 8mm socket or nut driver to unthread the air filter housing mounting nuts. Lift up the choke lever and remove the housing. Detach the throttle cable from the carburetor. Note the orientation of the fuel lines, then detach them from the carburetor and set the carburetor aside. If still in place, remove the fuel cap and retainer. If you're replacing the fuel line connected to the filter, use a wire with a hook to pull out the fuel filter. Now cut the old line as close to the tank as possible. Then push the line through the tank and remove it. You're now ready to prepare the new fuel line for installation. Cut the end of the line at an angle. Now feed the line through the hole in the tank until you can pull it out through the fill spout. Cut off the angled portion of the line. Transfer the connector from the old line to the new one. Now trim a new section of fuel line that is the same length as the old line connected to the fuel filter. Attach the new section to the connector. Pull the fuel filter off of the old line and attach it to the new line. Now pull the new line through the tank until the connector reaches the hole. Make sure the filter is resting inside the tank. Trim the new line to approximately 2 inches. Insert the fuel cap retainer and thread the cap. Attach the fuel lines to the appropriate carburetor ports. Attach the Z end of the throttle cable to the carburetor. Now align the carburetor on the mounting posts. Confirm the cable mount is properly positioned, then push the carburetor into place. With the choke lever up, realign the air filter housing and secure it with the nuts. Open the choke and replace the air filter. Reposition the air filter cover and tighten the knob to secure. With the repair completed, reattach the wire and boot to the spark plug, refill the fuel tank, and your string trimmer should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.